We now have a good view of the crater of Mount Aso, and you see the gases that are arising from the crater. There has not been an eruption in a long time. However, they will have large amounts of gas vent from the crater. At times it creates a health hazard. These are shelters that you can duck into in case there's an eruption. Not that it's going to necessarily save your life, but at least they can find your bodies. Anyway, we are going up the hill here to as close to the edge of the cone as we can get. We already drove up to this particular point, and so we'll go from there. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking down the cone of Mount Aso. You see the gas venting. Some days it's more and other days it's less. This is as far as you can go up the mountainside here.
We need to turn around. Turn around.
Okay.
No.
We've walked up the path a little further.